Okay, today, wheel and tire day. Got all tires in the car. First I got to put a little bit of air on this tire, this way we can travel a good maybe half mile, which should be fine. D-walk. D-walk? Or D-walk?
D-walk.
D-walk.
You say D-walk. I don't know why.
D-walk. I love this thing. Alright, let's see. Where is it at? That's 0. Alright, let's try to put 30. Hopefully that'll do it. Let's go. Good morning, guys. So about a week ago, I pulled out of the driveway and I felt the car bounce a little bit, and I thought it was a blown strut. But then I got the warning here, TPMS warning, and I put a little bit of air in it. I didn't think anything of it, but I ended up inflating the tire every other day. So I said, you know what? Let me hit up my brother, Honey Badger. He's got his own YouTube channel, actually. He does a lot of good retro gaming and all sorts of activities. So if you want to check out that channel, I'll put that channel down below. But anyway, so he hooked me up with some tires. Thank you, David. I was going to go with the Michelin. Somehow they weren't available to me, so I'm going with Continental. So the Continentals are in the back seat, and they fit quite well. I went with a staggered setup. So we're on our way to the shop. We're gonna get these installed on the wheels here. Hopefully there's no hiccups. Hopefully I get more traction. So let's do that now. I just put enough air in the back tire to get me there. So let's see what happens. So FCP Euro, it's not expensive, $100, so I guess it depends on the person, but $25 per cap. I figured let me try it, it's a OEM part. Let's see what it looks like in video. So that weight behind it, it's gonna keep it level. See that? So I don't know if that's enough weight, but I'm sure it's gonna spin a little. It should look good. Regardless, I needed new wheel caps on those wheels. These look great, and they're OEM. And if I wanted to, block them out, I just get the little stickers that go on here. Those are all over the place. So let's put these bad boys on. Okay, so I got the screwdriver. I'm gonna pop these out. Look at the difference. This one doesn't even have anything. I'm still gonna keep these, only because I can mess with them. I can paint them, I can do whatever I want with these. But look at that. They're on the car. I'm gonna save these. This way I could mess with them later. Now, just so you guys know, I mean, as you saw, it was just quick pop in. I'm wondering how like if I take a video of it, if it'll show that it stays still or how it levels. So as you can see, this is the next day. I was too involved in making a different video, and I mean, it's gonna be up soon, so you'll see what happened. But next day, first impressions on the tires. So I went with the Continental ExtremeContacts. I think they're sticky. I think they're comfy. They're a little loud, right? But that's what you're gonna get. You feel grounded. I think my next purchase, if I stay with Continental, I'm gonna go a little wider. I went with 225 here. These are 18s. I may go a square setup. So right now we're running staggered setup, and you can really feel the difference. It's light in the steering wheel. I would want it to be a little wider. This way I can get a even more grounded and planted feel, especially on the turns. But overall, I'm happy with the tire, the purchase. Got a great deal on them. I can't complain. I got a little bit of work to do here with maybe buying a spacer for the front. The back looks good. I may run a small spacer, but I like it. I like the way the tire looks. You know, a little bit of shine, and it's all set. So from the back, they stick out a little, right? But I think with a nice spacer, it'll be awesome. I have the BMW self-leveling caps on here, so you know what I'm gonna do. Just so you can see how they look when the wheel's turning. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna jump in the car. I'm just gonna roll just a little bit, right? So if my wife, Roz?
I'm gonna try.
Okay. So maybe just focus on one or two. I don't know.
We'll see what happens.
So, I mean, I think the caps, it cleans it up. The caps I had on there were trash anyways, right? So I figured I'd try these out. It's something fun. Well, that does it for this video. Sam Acevedo. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll check you on the next one.